Uve abantu bathi iphupho lakho ngeke liphumelele. Izakuhleka. Sha. Best out like a dragon. Ngikhafula umlilo mntane khehla. Ngikhehlela umlilo kule price stand. Lana beef akazwakali sidla inyama. Fike ngekhani ngikhokha khona. Thelekile zwakala. Uma utakabi ndukushaya ngesidulelo baba mntane khehla ujike nge-reverse njengaboma bebese wafasa ama-reverse sekushubile sathesha one by one siyasota ku-TikTok badlala ngayo okwaze kwasa solo sidlala ikwarakwara ngi-grab i-glass and open the champagne roll up it's a celebrations drinks on me plus the venue okwami la. Hey,
hello, we made it. Hello, we made it. Hello, we made it. Hello, we made it.
Siyabungaza la, sonke sijabulile. We thank God we made it. Oh yes, we thank God we made it. Yeah. Skuwa uthi nami khusukile, nami khusukile. Ayibamba nambishisi insimbi. Bangaphelelwa ngamandla, aphokophela. Journey of my life. Music is my life. Ule life kwamele ngcine stronger. Ngingakhohlwa liphupho lami, ngingakhohlwa lapho ngiphuma khona. Enami ngiphakamisa ligasi lami, phakamisa iglass yami. I wanna make it toast now. Sithi long live to the spirit of Ubuntu, long live.
Hello, we made it. Hello, we made it. Hello, we made it. Hello, we made it.
I made it down. I think it should be said. In this life, no graduates. We learn every day, each day. We thank God we made it. Seleke ngekharakara one time. Sibite bendeni nabangani. Bangaphila bangadli beef, sipajubeli chicken one time. Lakhaya namhlanje saphithitela. Isiphithiphithi siphambana ngamaglasi ecoke nesprite. Ngive bathi cocktail ikhona. Caretaker kutoba khona kule popo. And taking care of you. Lapho wena dlala lengoma ungayiphinza mawuthanza ngoba vele yokujabula.
Hello.